Ayun na nga, this is Ranger Day of Toy Stash in Action YouTube channel. And dito tayo sa Heroes Dimension, ang ating official Heroes HQ dito sa Heroes Comic Con. So again guys, ito ang ating mga items for today. This is the Marvel Legends 12 inches figure. So meron tayong Thor, Iron Man, and then Captain America. And meron tayong 2013 na Hulk dito na on display. So this looks really great guys because it looks amazing pagka nakita ninyo. It's a very comic accurate na Avengers display. So makikita nyo dito, ito yung Hulk natin. This is 2013. Meron lang siyang minimal articulation pero napakaganda and napakalupit. Very classic looking. So I like this one. And may markings yan tayo dito sa ilalim. So that's really cool. And then dito guys, articulated ang ating mga Marvel Legends na 12 inches. So this is Iron Man. Looks really great. Yan, it comes with a box guys para din sa mga Marvel Legends. So ito yung Iron Man. This is Thor. And tingnan nyo naman yung Thor natin. Ang ganda, diba? Napakalupit at napakaangas. Meron din siyang cloth cape which is super nice to have dito para sa inyong Thor. And then ito ang ating Captain America. Ayan, diba? Ganda. So kaya niya kagad mag-crotch ng ganyan. So which is really good for the display. So ito siya guys. Yan ang ating Avengers ng Marvel Legends 12 inches figure with ang ating 2013 na Hulk. I forgot what model this is but it says on the markings 2013 and meron din siyang official markings ng Marvel. So that is very safe na authentic ang ating mga figures. So yeah, huwag niyo kalimutan dumalo sa amin dito sa level 3 ng Nomo Visamos Lifestyle Center Mall dito sa Bacoor, Cavite. And you can also check us out dito sa Facebook namin on for more updates para din sa ating Heroes Dimension ng mga collectibles. And yeah, hashtag kita-kits sa Heroes guys and hashtag Discover Nomo and hashtag Heroes Dimension. Peace out guys and God bless!